Good evening, guys. Welcome back. It is our day 1 of 4. This is a very light pairing. We have 1 flight today, 2 flight tomorrow, and then 1 flight. But tomorrow we just deadhead and then operate. And we are now in Fort St. John. I have been before, but in this room, it's my first time because we have a couch, a dining table, 2 beds, and it's actually a lot better. Let me show you. Had 77 passengers, and then have 1 person, 1 fare, and then attendant. Usually those ones have disability, and if you have that on your flight, you have special briefing to the attendant for evacuation purposes if they have question, those things. But yeah, nothing too crazy. I'm gonna go to sleep and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow morning. Maybe we will get some breakfast downstairs, who knows. All right, guys, good night. Good morning, guys. I feel a lot better today. It's our second day, day 2 of 4, and we are deadheading to Vancouver and then Vancouver to Victoria. Very easy day. Yeah, I'm just waiting for our pickup time, which is 6:10. They delayed it, supposed to be 5:10 because the inbound flight is late. So I called CrewSched and asked them if they changed the pickup time, and of course they haven't changed it, so I called them and made them change it. Okay, this is my view, you guys. I don't think you saw this last night when I showed you the room. It's the parking lot. Yeah, so let's go downstairs and then meet the crew, which is Phil, and then we'll go to Victoria. Are you excited for our Victoria layover?
Downtown!
Woohoo! Is that our vehicle? Welcome to Victoria. For today's flight, it was really easy because we only have 1 leg and it was only 15 minutes. And then tomorrow we only have 1 leg and it's only 15 minutes. I'm so happy. I don't know what else I have to tell you. Okay, guys, I will talk to you later. Good morning, guys. We are all set. I'm gonna go downstairs and meet Phil, and we are going to try to ride the helicopter, the helijet. But yeah, we are grabbing some coffee. Guys, in a bit. Guys, welcome back to the reality that we are going back to the airport, riding the helicopter. It was a great experience, and I'm gonna tell you, I'm probably not gonna do it again because it was so expensive. If we don't have discount, people are paying $400 to go on that trip, so I'm not gonna pay $400. Anyway, it was a great experience and I will recommend it to anybody. So I will see you guys at the airport. Bye.
Was never built on years ago. So, Nick's been gone into 1 year.
All done! One and done! That's it! Good morning, everybody. It is our day 4 of 4. I'm not sure if I even talked to you last night, but we are all set to go downstairs and meet the crew. Today we have 4 legs and we're doing Vancouver, Terrace, Vancouver, and then Vancouver, Kelowna to Calgary. So we will be done today at around 7:30, I would say 8. Yeah, it's gonna be a busy day. Most of our flights are almost full. Today we will have 1, 2, 3 different aircraft, and we're probably gonna have 4 different or maybe 2 different pilots. All right, I'm gonna see you guys at the airport. Hey guys, we just finished the briefing and the captain said that we're gonna have a severe turbulence today, so I'm so nervous. We're going to Terrace, so wish me luck.
Are you going for audition?
No, just like, that's it for this vlog.
Okay, that's it for this vlog.
Bye!
Bye.
Becky!